Welcome back, everybody. I am the EagleFan, and this is my channel. And tonight, I am going to do a reaction to what really is kind of a random group here. I believe I have seen this name somewhere in my travels, but I don't know really anything at all about this. This is Infected Rain, and the song is The Realm of Chaos. It's also featuring Heidi Shepard. I don't know who Heidi Shepard is, or at least if I do, I don't know the name. I might see her at some point in this and say, oh, looks familiar from somewhere. I know literally nothing about this. I don't know where this is headed. So this should be an interesting journey. With that said, are you guys ready to take this journey with me? I think first, we probably need to get to this screen. I think that'll be much better. Let's do this.
And the alchemy of good and bad. Are we the hunters or are we the bait? In the alchemy of good and bad, are we the hunters or are we the bait? Good and bad. In reality obscure, are we the fisherman, are we the lure? In reality obscure, are we the fisherman, are we the lure? We're lying into submission. God's light on into self-destruction. To walk this course like a lost lamb in a wolf's stand. Rotten society of the dead, the dynasty. The hunters are the bird.
Okay, I'm going to go back just a second there before she starts singing again. I kind of like this. Oh my gosh, I am sorry. I don't know where that came from all of a sudden. I think I will take a drink. Yes, that was riveting video footage right there. Keep you right on the cutting edge. I like this. It's got an edge to it. And at least tonight I needed that edge. I just got to get myself through these next couple days, and then I'm looking at a 17-day weekend. Or as I'm calling it anyway. Gonna be fun. Hopefully we'll be productive. And need more of this to get me to it. Let's hear some more.
Running and hiding from the constant duality. Running and hiding from duality. Hiding from duality. To walk this course.
Okay. I got a little bit too much farther in there than I was expecting. I was going to do one more pause in there and discuss, but I just kind of kept getting into it. Let's, for the sake of discussion, go back here. Why am I not going back there? It would help if I was hitting the right. Actually, I don't want to know if I want to let you behind the curtains here, but I'm not hitting the right button. Let's go back here. That's much better. Sorry about that. Yes, I am definitely not a professional organization here. I liked that. That was one of those has to go on playlist for when I just need to let that inner, I don't want to say anger, but almost anger, that inner rage out. Liked it. Definitely liked it. Obviously not going on a mellow playlist. But who would think anybody would put something that intense on a mellow playlist? That was very nice. Sorry, I just lost myself again for a minute there. Let me know your thoughts down below. What do you know about this group? And what can you tell me more about them? Actually, I am curious now to know a little bit more now that I've heard them. Oh wow, they are a Moldovan heavy metal band. Nice. And they do nu metal, metalcore, melodic death metal. I don't really know what you'd classify that as. It sounded a little bit more like melodic death metal, maybe. But I don't really care much about classifications. I care about what it sounds like when I'm listening to it. And I'm probably going to have to look into these guys a little bit more. Again, let me know down below. What do you know about them? Have you seen them? What do you think about them? Have you seen them live? If so, do tell. I want to hear more. How were they live? And what stories do you have to share? With that said, thank you guys again for joining me. Always appreciated. The obligatory like, comment, subscribe. Click on that little bell if you want to know when I have a new video out. It's always appreciated. Never pressured. I'm not going to put a curse on you if you don't do that. I'm not going to beg you. I'm just going to mention it and move on. As always, please be good to each other. I know it's not always easy to do, and I know I definitely don't always do that, but I deep down inside want to. Sometimes people just don't make it really easy to do that. But find a good deed, pay it forward. That's what I'm going to try to do with my Gameathon coming up in a couple weeks. I'm going to start posting more information about that if anybody is interested in joining. And the proceeds go, every last dime goes to the Community Food Bank of New Jersey. Very, very good organization, does very good work. I think about every penny. I think I saw when I made my donation in there, some of it goes towards whatever they have set up to do the collection of the funds or something. Something along that line. I don't know. But I get way off topic. I'm good at that. Also, please, stay safe and healthy. It just needs to be done. And keep your eyes to the sky, because you never know what you may see. Could be something amazing. Take care, everybody. Until next time.